It's easier than you think to have fun things you like doing so much you don't even care about going on your phone. I've realized this when I was on my phone a lot. I didn't know what to do, but some of the videos I would watch, I always thought, man, it would actually be cool if I did that. Like, that was why my feed or my algorithm, why I liked the videos I liked. It was sports. It was some guy doing some cool thing, you know? Those are the videos that I would like and want to see. But then I just thought, wait, why am I watching other people do this and not just do it myself? That would be 100 times cooler. I just asked myself the question, what would be cool if I could do it? And I was watching this one clip of this guy playing the piano. It was really cool. Then I thought, wait, I have a piano at my home, actually. And then I turned on the piano finally, and I started playing it. It was even cooler because when I was at home, I actually had something to do. I wanted to play what I wanted to play instead of hoping that some piano person that I'm watching plays the thing I like. I get to play exactly what I want to play. I get to control how long I play it for, what I play. I just basically felt like I unlocked a whole new outlook on what I can do when I'm at home, when I want to do something fun, when I have free time to just go on my phone. The same thing with sports. I remember seeing people do soccer keep-ups in their backyard. I would watch people do that, and then I thought, wait, why don't I have a ball? I play soccer, I like it. Let me get a ball, and then let me start doing some practice in my backyard. Then I started doing that too. I got outside more. Then I saw this other sport that was cool, lacrosse. Let me start playing that too. That looks extremely fun. I saw how every single video I watched, someone else had to make that video. Someone else spent the time to record a video, to pile up some clips, put it into a video. They got views from it. They got attention. They got support. They made some money off of it. It seemed really fun and easy to them. Why didn't I do it? And then I start to realize, oh my gosh, I've wanted to do these things for years, but just for some reason, I never started. I remember wanting to make videos since I was 5 years old, but I've just never done it. I've wanted to play soccer for so long, but I've just never done it. I think playing the piano is cool. Music is cool. Why have I never done it? Then I just realized it's because of the phone. It is so easy, so effortless to just be entertained, spend hours on it, and not just do a little bit of something that's hard. Just that little first step, which is so hard, of struggling for an hour to play the piano. But then after that, it becomes so easy. It's so cool. It's such a great hobby you can have. Then when you're playing sports, when you're doing keep-ups in your backyard, you get more active. You're outside. You just feel so alive. When you start trying to find these new hobbies that you really like, you're just going to wonder, why haven't I been doing this for longer? I wish I just didn't spend that many hours on my phone, and I wish I spent that in this hobby instead. Because I'm sure you might have heard the quote, like, 10,000 hours to master something. And then how much hours have we spent on our phones? Genuinely. You know what you like watching on your phone. You know what you want to see. Spend some time thinking about what you would want to do in your life. When you have a minute to not do anything, you don't just have to go on your phone. Imagine, like, look how cool it is in the back. I would not care about that if I was just on my phone. It's okay if you just don't do anything for a second. You can think. You can think about a hobby. Think about something you like. Think about, how can I try to do this? Make an effort. Genuinely try to go out of your way to get some new hobby, whether it's to buy a soccer ball or go to some place where there's a piano to play or something like that. Get a guitar. Whatever that is, make an effort, because that's when the most change happens in your life. Not when you're waiting around for something to change, but when you just make the change yourself. You don't wait for someone to tell you to do something. You just do it. Just imagine when you actually do it. When you take those small steps, you don't have to jump in right into the hardest piano song. You can build your way up. It'll still be just as fun. When you're bored, you can do these things instead. Even if you're with people or at a place somewhere, you don't have to go on your phone. You can talk to people. You can try to look around and see what's around you. You'll feel so much better and motivated after you do that. After you do those hobbies and spend less time on your phone. I really hope you can think about this. Peace.